Hello. Okay, we're gonna go through the second part of the lab. The second part is working with the active side, which is the hap here. We're gonna look and open up all the amino acids surrounding this molecule. So I'm gonna go is click this one. It's gonna highlight it in pink. I'm gonna go to actions, rename selection. I'm gonna name it dhap. Oh, yeah, that's caps lock. Dhap. Now it's dhap. Next thing you want to do is see if you click this, it makes a selection here. I'm just going to ignore this one. Actually, what I'm going to do is delete that because I don't want that. So when you click one of these, it highlights it in red. See, it's highlighted in red. That means it's highlighted. To remove the highlight, you click anywhere else on the screen that's not um, an amino acid, and it unhighlights it. Next thing you want to do is you click here again, go actions, then I think it's modify around residues within 5 angstroms. Bam. Ugly. Next thing you want to do is you go show sticks. And that's everything that you don't want to see ever again. Because that's the whole thing there is now labeled as dhap. If I click this right now, that's dhap, right? I wish I don't want to get rid of because I don't want it. Deselection. This one right here, if I click on and off here, that's one knee. That's the whole enzyme. That's just to turn it on and off. dhap. So now dhap is highlighted as this whole mass of amino acids, which we don't want because we just want to work with the one in the middle. So since this one's dhap now, we're gonna make another one. When we click left click the dhap in the middle, this one, that's a new selection. Rename selection actual dhap, actual dhap. You can rename it whatever you want. I'm just using this one because yeah. So now we have all of these different amino acids, and in the answer sheet you have to find the amino acids that you think are oriented correctly and have the right or the correct protonation. You figure that out using the chart in the first lab practical where they show the different charges of the side chains of the amino acids. Now, after that, you want to measure. That's the next part of this practical. You want to measure the distances between two things. So to do that, I'm just gonna pick random bullshit, but let's pick here. Let's pick this one and this one. This one's glutamic 97. This one is histidine 95. You will need them. I'm just gonna do them now. And what I want to do is measure the distance between whatever they are. So I'm gonna do a really quick color lesson. Red is oxygen, blue is nitrogen, green is carbon, white is hydrogen, and then orange is phosphorus. So I want to measure the distance between the hydrogen atom here and the nitrogen atom here. What I'm going to do is go to wizard, go to measure. Now it's going to be like this. Now what you want to do is, you see on this bottom right corner, it says selecting atoms. You want it to be in atoms. And then you click hydrogen here, and then the nitrogen there. That's going to measure it as 2.2 angstroms. So that's how you measure things. And if once you're done measuring, just click done, and that's done. Now you can turn this on and off again here. If you don't want to see it, just click on and off here. Then you can rename this. Can't even rename it. Oh, there. Rename this as E97 to, what's this one? Histidine H95. Yeah, there we go. E97 to H95. So I'm just gonna turn it off because I don't want to see it. Next thing you want to do is everything here will be irrelevant to you. For example, this one here, irrelevant. What you're gonna do is go click hide. Everything is gone now. This one is also irrelevant to you. Yeah, click that, hide everything, click somewhere else. relevant. You want to do that for every single thing that doesn't coincide with the charges you're looking for. And you're looking for a positively charged side chain. You're looking for a negatively charged side chain, and following the mechanism, the chemical mechanism, the reaction mechanism that they put in the lab manual. You're also looking for histidine 95, which is already here. I'm just gonna click it right now. Click that. Rename the selection. Histidine, enter. And I'm gonna go label that with residues. That's histidine 95. That's it. That's one of the things you need. Then you have your dehap molecule there, and then just remove everything that you don't need. So remove everything that has either a non-polar side chain and a hydrophobic side chain. And you just want to keep the negative to positive and histidine 95. That's the second part of the experiment.